yan. Mag-ano yun siya. Ilagay mo muna lahat, tapos takpan mo. Diba? We have our chef here. Because this monkey and me, we're hungry. So we have our Ate Princess cooking food for us. Oh. Put it there. Why you're putting it down?
You're not gonna eat that?
Yeah, that's still a vegetable. Cover it na. Later, we're gonna go down. Chanan! It's time to eat. Okay, tapos na nagluto ang aming chef. Kumain na siya. So, this is what she cooked. This is a pork with vegetable soup and corn. Thank you. Proud of you. And the eater. Love you.
The first.
Have it documented. Proud of you, girl. Cook more, okay? I will teach you more.